Hello guys, and today I will be unboxing Willow. I will be unboxing the Series 2 Piggy Willow action figurine. It's actually season 2, not season 3. It has I have Officer Doggy, Ice Piggy, Billy, and Robbie. Basically, the whole season 1. I have Willow now. I'm going to get Alphas maybe for my birthday. It's like coming up. So we are going to get open. Inclusive DLC code. Play Piggy net/net toys. Scratch off. And this is how I will explain my finger in like the next one. My next video. This is the bag, and this is our gun. You see in the game it's violent, but it's like a water gun. I'm gonna think about painting this black, making it look like an actual gun. Don't tell anyone that. And let me just get her holding it. This is her holding it, the bank thing. To like do a role play of Officer Doggy's chasing Willow. And this is her holding all the weapons, coming to shoot you, or is shooting a water gun at you. So yeah, that's it. This will probably just get sent tomorrow, even though it's March 1st. It's gonna be set on March 2nd. It's gonna be close to bedtime, and I won't have enough time to send the video. So yeah, when you're probably watching it, it's probably gonna be March 2nd or March 3rd or so on. One day I'm going to finish that role play, or Zombie took over. If you saw. Watch after the episodes. So yeah, that's gonna be it. Bye for now.